Hey everyone, today we are going to take a look at this modern day cuckoo clock, SEIKO QHP005A. It has a plastic casing with wood design, which makes it look vintage and cute. Comes with a quiet, sweet second-hand movement. Requires 3 AA batteries to power up. Let's take a look at the special alarm function. 3 types of alarm settings: the regular beep, the bird song, and the cuckoo. The unique feature of this clock is the volume of the alarm can be adjusted by this dial. I like to adjust it to the loudest so that I can wake up early to get ready for school. Press the chimney for night light. I like this clock very much because it's reliable and cute. Plus, I especially like the unique bird alarm, which gives me a fresh start to a brand new day. That's all for now. Please remember to like and subscribe. Bye!